No, who told you that all dates have to be really expensive with a fine dining and a candlelight? Date can be as simple as a dinner at home, and you can do lot of things to make it really special and turn that night into a date night. Hi guys, I am Prerna and today we are going to discuss few date night ideas which are really pocket friendly, budget friendly, and you can do it whenever you want. You don't need a special occasion for that. So let's do it. Our very first idea is cook for each other. Ask each other what is their favorite meal, and you can just give your recipe to the other person, but do not prompt them or do not tell them how to make it, and let them do it on their own. क्या कर रहा है?
कुछ नहीं you go.
अरे okay. He's making something for me and he does not like if I go inside kitchen when he cooks for me. Also cook something for your partner. Let not it be a very hectic recipe. It should be made within 45 minutes to 1 hour, and then you can sit and have a awesome cute dinner together. Okay, next which I'm going to tell you, my husband will not agree with that because okay, it's a game night, a video game night, a board game night.
Games night? No, not with her.
And I get really competitive when it comes to playing game, and I get very high on my pitch, which really annoys him.
High pitch. She so does.
Anyway, so you can have a board game night, a video game night. It is a lot of fun and you can do it any night you want, so you can try that out. Okay, number 3, in case you do not want to stay at home, go out, still don't want to make a hole in your pocket, go for a hike and watch a sunset or a sunrise together. Okay, sounding cliche? No. You tell me one thing, is there any one sunset or sunrise you have seen which is not beautiful? No. Just go and enjoy doing things together, doing hike together, bring you guys closer because there are certain kind of difficulties which you face together, and these kind of moments make your bond go stronger and brings you closer. Okay, next one is again where you can go out without any hole in your pocket. You can go and try a street food. No matter for how long you have lived in one city, there are places in your city of the where the kind of special food is being cooked on the street and which you have not tried. Especially in the case if you have recently started dating, you can go and try each other's favorite food, what they like. You can ask them what you like and you can take that person there. It helps to connect, it helps to know the other person better as well. Okay, and next one is walk and talk. Okay, you can go if you live in the mid of the city, you can go to the outskirts of the city, just get down off your car or whatever vehicle you have gone through, walk and explore the place on foot. You can try new food there, you can try maybe you can go by the riverside if it is there, you can go by the dams if they are there, you can try new eateries and just have a little bit of chat. It is also very inexpensive, plus exploring new places together definitely brings a bond and a connection between you two. Next thing which I'm going to suggest, it's making a vision board together. Okay, wait, it is not boring as what you think. Give each other prompt what they want to see, how they want to see their life in next 1 year or next 5 years, and it will help you to understand whether your goals in life are aligned with each other or not. See, date is not always about having a candlelight dinner, talking sweetly. Sometimes you have to face things, you have to develop a bond, you have to know what is and how is the other person, what they expect in their life to take your life long. That is why date exists, right? So make a vision board together, and then there's a fun part. Choose pictures, put it on the board and enjoy. Okay, next one is like a old school, have a movie night. Pull out a mattress, spread a sheet, order some food or cook whatever you like, and just switch on Netflix and watch whatever movie you like, whatever your genre is, suspense, thriller, romance or whatever. Enjoy it. The movie nights, no matter how old this idea is, cuddling together and watching a movie will never go out of fashion, and it is inexpensive doing it at home, so why not?
This next one is absolutely favorite of mine and my husband.
we both love massages. You can do a massage night. You can give a massage to the other person. You can put on some lavender candle or vanilla candle, take a very nice smelling oil, give a full body massage, relaxing massage to the other person. Of course, keep it for one person for one night only so that the other person can relax. And after that, you can have a light dinner. It is very soothing, very calming, and it makes definitely makes the other person feel very special. Okay, next one is go for a drive. Going for a drive is so underrated. Have your dinner and then around 10:30 and 11 when the roads are silent and calm, take out your car, pack your desserts, go out, switch on some nice music, and park your car somewhere where it is cozy and nobody, like not much people are there. Park it there and let the music be on, take out your desserts, have it, have a little chit chat. It is a very small, cute, and nice date. You can do it anytime, any day of the week, and just have fun. Okay, next one is go and Google. There are a lot of free festivals which keep on happening in each city. Like in Mumbai, you have Kala Ghoda Festival. In Goa, you have Wine Tasting Festival. In Lucknow, you have Lucknow Festival. In Delhi, you have like Delhi Shilpgrams and all that. You can go to these places. They have sometimes free food as well for tasting. You can enjoy that. You can enjoy free wines and just take a stroll around. The vibe is so amazing generally during the, especially during the winter seasons. These are so inexpensive and you can do it again at any time, whatever you like, and no hole in the pocket. Again, some cozy walk, some cozy talk, and it helps you come closer. Okay, next one is very simple. Then you can just go out in the park, have a picnic in the park, take your fruit basket, your lunch basket along with you, spread a bed sheet, and just sit down, talk, have lunch, have food there, enjoy the greenery around, and yeah, you have a cool, nice, cozy date. So that's it, guys. Those were my favorite date nights on budget. I personally do not enjoy going to a very fine dining places all the time. Of course, once a while on a special occasion, I definitely enjoy it. But otherwise, there's no point to wait for the occasion to have a date night. You can do it at any time with the ways I have suggested, and I'm sure you're gonna have a lot of fun. It keeps the spark in a relationship alive, and it is just so much pocket friendly that you feel like doing it more often. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. You know the drill. Like, share, and comment, and subscribe to my channel. It motivates me, helps me make more such videos. Take care, guys. Till next time. Enjoy. Bye bye.